Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to repost on Poshmark. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. To repost an item on Poshmark means to share or repost an item that someone else has listed in their closet. To do it, first head over and open up your Poshmark app and then be sure to be logged into your account as well. Now once you are logged into your account, find the item you want to repost by searching or browsing through the different closets. Once you find an item you like, tap on the item listing to open it. Then below the item's picture you'll see a repost button. It's a little arrow icon. Then tap repost to add the item to your closet. It will appear in your closet as if you are selling it, but if it's not available for sale unless you edit the details of the price. Then after reposting, you can go into the items listing to make edits such as changing the price, adding a description, or including your own photos if you want to personalize it. Then after reposting, the item will appear in your closet and you can share it with your followers just like any other item in your closet. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.